Pulling into the city here. Coming up the back way. Headed in, guys. Oh. He's giving me trouble. Look at him. All things Buick. Nephew Juan. You know me, I'm always on the lookout for an old school Buick somewhere. I don't see nothing. Oh, the front end's tore up here. What's going on?
Streets is tore up. Everything is tore up. They just turned all new condos.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Trying to move y'all out, huh? All
the way back.
Condos. Okay, I see the condos constantly working on them. Yes, sir. Fond du Lac Center.
Well, those are condos.
Those condos too?
Mm-hmm.
They building up here, man. It's been so long since I've been up here. Been a while. Well, I come through, but I be doing something. You know, I ain't been up here like cruising around or messing around no kind of way. So if they turn them into condos, who's going in? Mostly black, white, mixture. Oh yeah. They pretty expensive there?
I haven't looked into the price of none of them.
Oh, okay. I know they're doing that down in Racine too.
Yeah, all the city people that have these big old brick buildings.
See, they fixing up. Yeah, they fixing up quite a few up here there now. Aisha was telling me about the Baraka buildings or something. Barada.
Oh yeah, they Arabs.
Then when she said it, I'm like, well, they got the big boulders in front of the buildings out there off of Mount Prospect. So he's all down there now.
Yeah, they're just some rich Arabs and came to Milwaukee and just started buying up everything.
See, they got the grill going over there. So what they cooking?
He be
selling ribs
and turkey legs.
Turkey legs. Oh yeah, this price a nice little setup.
Mm-hmm.
He good? You ever stopped him?
I haven't tried them yet. I see them on Facebook.
Oh, okay. Everybody driving these days. I remember back in the days you have people walking everywhere. They got some nice buildings up through here now. Those are new, ain't they?
Those newer.
I remember 17th and Burleigh back there. That's where that guy put that gun on me that time. You remember that T-Max place?
Oh, okay, yeah, I remember T-Max.
You're dead, yeah. He's new too.
Yeah.
Franklin's. Wow. Yeah, they building up big time. It's posted up here in Milwaukee. Look at her showed up. She out in Hartford. She done moved her family out to Hartford.
Okay.
What's up, baby girl? Look at
Stop
it.
recording me.
I'm always recording. I gotta show up my baby girl show up. Yeah, her mother and everybody from Milwaukee up here. Yeah, that's all right.